The purpose of these video clips is to clarify the simplicity of FreeCAD. Today's video clip is surface not parallel to plane. To start this project, we create a file to store the contents. File, New, File, Save As, surface not parallel to plane. Create body, additive cylinder, isometric, XY plane, radius 0.5 inches, height 1 inch. OK. Additive sphere, XY plane, radius 0.5 inches, in Z direction 1 inch. OK. Subtractive sphere, XY plane, radius 0.45 inches, in Z direction 1 inch. OK. Front view. Hover over body to see the contents of body. Create sketch. Create rectangle. Click. Double-click to complete. Right-click to release. Select rectangle corner. Select Y-axis. Constrain point onto object. Close. Pocket. Length 2 inches. Check reversed. OK. Isometric. Select sketch. Spacebar to display sketch. Position Z equals 1 inch. Double-click pocket. Uncheck reversed. OK. Front view. X equals minus 0.3 inches. Axes X0, Y1, Z0. Angle minus 60 degrees. Position Z equals 1.5 inches. Isometric. Select face. Create sketch. Create circle. Click. Double-click to complete. Right-click to release. Select XY center and circle center. Constrain coincident. Centered. Drag circle edge until it's about in the right location. Zoom in, then tweak the circle edge. Close. Pad. 0.05 inches. Reverse to put the pad under the surface. OK. A surface that is not parallel to the XY plane. This concludes surface not parallel to plane.